on Ovation of the Seas. We just got to our cabin. I got our keys here. I'm gonna open it and we're gonna go and check out our room. Ooh. Full length.
Interesting, the door opens out.
Ooh, the door opens out. That is interesting. We have a closet here. I'm pretty sure my dad wasn't in charge of designing this, but it does feel like home.
I don't get it.
It's crooked. It's angled. It's angled.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Bathroom. Oh, look, they didn't put the textured glass. It's just plain glass.
And Navigator exclusive.
For some reason, they have decided that this let's make it look like it was just watered look was what we should go with the shower. So it is dry, but it looks like someone just took a shower. It's odd. Very standard bathroom. Shelves down there. Nice small convenient sink. Towels. Shower. There's, looks like storage space above the bed.
That's nice.
There is an outlet next to the bed, at least on this side. We'll go check the other side. There is a telephone. No outlet on this side, but there are shelves and more closet space, including a safe and some drawers, if you like keeping your stuff in drawers. A nice little vanity with a couple of outlets and some USBs. Ooh, is that a kettle? Interesting. See what we got here. Some fruit from our key. A lamp, so lots of drawers. Ooh. Tissues, room service breakfast menu. Hair dryer. Hair dryer that is not attached to the drawer, by the way, so you can take it and do it somewhere else.
Don't say that much anymore.
Well, somewhere where there's an outlet anyway. Mini fridge with some sort of child lock on it, maybe?
Is it actually cold?
I wouldn't call it cold. I'd say chilly.
More of a chiller.
It's a chiller. Lots of drawers. A couch. Our bags that were delivered from the key drop-off. Some pretty art. And let's see out here. Ooh, that is nice and quiet and smooth. Feels pretty private. Oh, well, kinda. I mean, it's fine for us, I guess. There's a cover above us, so that's to keep us in the shade. Some nice chairs out here with some ottomans so you could lay back. There's plenty of space out here. Little tiny baby table, but can also use the ottoman as a place to set stuff. I'm looking forward to spending some time out here. Looks lovely. Hey hoppers, I have a very controversial Lido lowdown for you today. Why is everyone telling you to pack light, pack light, pack light? What a pain in the butt. I don't pack light. I'm not going to pretend to pack light. What I do is I have found these amazing bags that I put all my clothes in, suck all the air out, and they take up no room. This is all my clothes for 5 days. And anything extra I have here. And I bring extra bags so we can suck the air out of our dirty clothes when we go home. It comes with its own little pump that is USB driven. It does not work off a charging bank. It does have to be plugged into an actual USB charger on the wall, but it's super easy, super convenient, and I can do it before I come on the ship, and I could do it before I go home. I don't like underpacking. I don't like having to have an outfit picked out for every day. I don't know what the mood is going to bring. I need to be able to have options and choices. I have a friend. We won't call her name by now, But she packs every day in a different Ziploc bag. This is your Monday clothes, this is your Tuesday clothes. It's very organized, and I envy her for that, but that's not me. I need to have options. So, don't believe all the hype about underpacking. Pack what you need so you're comfortable. Hi, we're the Lido Hoppers.
I'm Tony.
And I'm Christina. Remember, your vacation is what you make it.
Make it a great one.